No, you have come to the right channel. You didn't click the wrong video, okay? You are in the right place. I promise you, this is one unboxing kind of first impression kind of video only. So, no tension. Hey guys, this is Ganga here, back with another video. So, for all those thinking, what is this nonsense going on in one good video? If you good video that I'm telling you guys should say, right? But that's okay, at least let me tell, okay? So yeah, so basically I am trying one DIY face pack, okay, by the very famous makeup artist, Instagram influencer, very good mother, Ashmita. Her DIY I'm trying for a review purpose. So I've kept it on my face. I have to wait for 20 minutes, no? So I didn't want to waste this time because time is very precious. So I decided to unbox the good skincare products. I got it for you guys mainly for the review purpose, okay? So let's go now. No problem, right, seeing this face, because you will also be interested to see the result, right? So let's go. Yeah, okay. First, you must be thinking, what unboxing? You said the box is open. I opened it because they came long time back. I would always wanted to make a video the day, I keep postponing. That is the stupid thing. But later I just wanted to at least open and see if the right products are arrived before shooting. That is the thing. I opened it and I kept it just like that because I can't use it right before making a video. So this is the unboxing. I've unboxed it already. This is the product from Earth Rhythm. My very first time I'm going to try Earth Rhythm product. Very first time, okay? I'm so excited. So first product we have so this is the SPF 50 Hybrid Sun Fluid PA+++, that is 4+, okay? Ultra Defense UVA UVB protection. So they have both protection, anti-aging, and it protects from burning as well. So it is SPF 50 non-comedogenic. This is basically cruelty free, and they are vegan, 100% vegetarian. So this is like it's a fluid in consistency, guys. So let me, yeah, this is a glassed container, okay? So it is written Ultra Defense, Sun Fluid, and they have a cap like this and a pump. See the pump, na? Cute, na? Cute pump. Okay, let's just check how it is. Okay. There is no smell. There is no smell. Just. It got absorbed quickly, not bad. But then I always wanted to try Earth Rhythm products. They have so many various of skincare products, and I decided to buy one day because I saw that flash 50% off in their website. So I immediately ordered these products. And the second product is this. So this is the AHA Glow Fruit Acids Cleansing Balm, exfoliating and resurfacing. So basically it's a cleansing balm, okay? You can remove your makeup, or you can just use it to remove your dirt or sunscreen, whatever. But it has got AHA fruit acids. So let me show you. This is also glass, guys. A cute little pink glass tub. Okay, comes like this. Okay, it is like a soap, very thick. To take it out itself is a very hard thing, I guess, because very hard. If it's a cleansing balm, it's like a soap. Why? It's like a soap. To remove my makeup, it has to be a little bit easy in consistency, to take it and rub. But then it's like soap. I don't know why. I don't know. I never seen some product like this, because cleansing balm, it is written as cleansing balm. it brightens and smoothens. They have written everything, but every time to take it out will be a very hard thing, right? You have to put your dirty finger and take out, undo it and put again inside. I don't know why it is very thick. Actually, I ordered this cleansing balm. You know, I always love my Plum cleansing balm, okay? This time I want to try something new, and this name AHA just gravitated me, okay? So I got it, but then I don't know. Let me check and read the website, okay? If it is, the consistency is like this. Let's read here. Okay, the storage, how to apply it is not mentioned, guys. Okay. Okay, let me just check, and when I'm posting my review video, I'll do a detailed video, okay? But then let's see. Next is the most interesting part. This one, okay? This is buy one get one free. This is a clean sponge. Basically, you can remove your makeup with this, so that you can you know, use less of makeup removing product, and it will be very easy, I guess. I never tried one cleansing sponge before, but my favorite Shreya Jain and Mridul Sharma, Jovita George, many people have recommended this cleansing sponge. It's like a sponge, okay? We have to wet it and scrub and take your makeup off. So I'm so happy because they gave buy one get one. It was so cheap, and I will try to put the, you know, price of the products in the side, okay? Just check in every part, there will be price mentioned in the screen, okay? So this is the thing. So basically, Earth Rhythm, if you are planning to buy them, I will highly suggest, because there are many times they are coming up with 50% flash sale or buy one get one offer. So go to their direct website, okay, and buy your product. If you are buying through Nykaa or any other website, you will not get that actual deal. So Earth Rhythm, I'm so excited to try. And this sun fluid, I got it from the recommendation of Geetanjali Selvaraghavan, you know, the famous you know, director Selvaraghavan's wife. She was doing one Instagram stories, okay? There she mentioned about the sun defense fluid, so I ordered from there only. So let me try everything for a good time, and I will come up with a review video, detailed, honest review for you people, because everything is purchased with my own money. So, and I have one more brand you know, product also, which the brand I love it, because I've been using them from so long. So yeah, okay, this is the doctor will see you now. It's mentioned, welcome to your personal skin clinic at home. So this is the thing. See the pouch. So this is Dr. Sheth's. I love their products. I love their you know, glycolic toner, and I love their you know, hyaluronic turmeric you know, sleeping mask. They are my favorite. I'm using them more than a year now. They are my two good products, okay? So you know, this is you know, customized pouch. This is for, you know, mom to be kit. This is also mentioned as, you know, to be mom's care kit. This is the thing. So it is a kit that is combined of few products, and it came in offer. Again, same like, you know, Earth Rhythm. If you want to buy Dr. Sheth's product, go to their actual website, okay? Because they many times come with buy one get one offer, or there is always 30%, 50% discount, you know, site wise. So please buy from their site, not from any other platform. So this is especially for to be mom kit, because you know, they have made it that way. The ingredients are very safe for the mom, new mom. So because when you're a mother who is trying to conceive, or if you're a breastfeeding mother, you have to be very careful with the, you know, skincare products, the acids that you're using. And I'm not that big expert to tell you what to use and what not to use. So just check you know, Shweta Vijay Nair. She is very well knowledge person in skincare. You can check her videos. You know, I will try to leave her link bottom. Obviously you'll be knowing her, I'm just saying, okay, in case. So this kit, beautiful, gets a jute bag. See na, very nice travel friendly jute bag. this comes with my favorite Haldi hyaluronic acid sleeping mask. This has got hyaluronic acid 0.5%, 1% ceramide complex, 2% squalene and turmeric oil globes. Okay, this is my favorite. Once dabba, this cost 850 if you purchase separately, but the whole kit I'll tell you. Okay, this is the product and it is sealed already, and I have made a separate review of this particular product, this Haldi and hyaluronic sleeping acid, in my channel. I will leave that link here somewhere. Just check that video. I have spoke about two of the famous product from Dr. Sheth, and you can just check. Okay, so this comes like this. This comes like this. Anyways, fine. I'll tell you why I got this kit. Okay, I wanted to try this from so long. Just check now. This is Amla VC20 vitamin C serum. It has got 20% vitamin C, 1% vitamin E, 1% sodium hyaluronate, and 0.5% ferulic acid and amla extract. Okay, this is 20 ml 999. If you're buying this separately, you're going to pay 1,000 rupees. So imagine, let's keep calculating. Okay, I'll tell you the kit cost. So this is a vitamin C serum. I always wanted to try good very good quality vitamin C serum, so that's the reason I've got it. I'm going to try. I haven't tried it earlier, so this is, I'm so excited. Let me show you the thing inside. Okay, so this comes like this. Okay, glass bottle and a nozzle. So I'm so excited to try. I will do a detailed review post soon. So the two products over. The kit has got one more. So this is Centella and Vitamin E cleanser. This has got 2% vitamin E beads, almond oil, Centella asiatica extract and ashwagandha extract. Superb ingredients, right? I'm so excited. This cleanser sounds really good, so that is the reason I ordered this kit, guys. So let me show you how it looks. Everything is nicely sealed. Okay, Dr. Sheth, one of the good brand. Okay, why is it not coming? Okay, we got it. I thought it will come like a tube. Okay, it's plastic only. It's plastic. It comes like this. There is a cap. Okay, it comes with the pump. Very nice. Nice, na? Cleanser is a travel-friendly cleanser. Okay, the cap quality is good. Every time the complaint I have with the Dr. Sheth product is the cap won't be tight, it will get loose. Okay, so I'm so happy and excited to try this as well. So, and this is the third product from the kit. Okay, and we have one nice complimentary small tube. This is their ultimate brightening youth enhancer. Okay, brightens anti-aging and gives a glow. It has got amino acid complex, avocado oil. I'm so excited because it's a free product, right? Imagine, it's a cute little one. So guys, this cleanser, I didn't tell you the price now. If you buy this separately, it's going to cost you 350 rupees. So this is 350 rupees and this is 850 rupees and this is 999. So but if you buy all this 3-in-1, this kit, right? Let me tell you the kit price. Yeah, I have a bill. See, na? The kit price is 1,318. All 3-in-1 complimentary, 1,318, guys. Just one vitamin C itself 1,000 rupees. This is 850, this is 350. So such a good deal. Okay, that's the reason I'm telling you, if you want to buy Dr. Sheth product, just go to their website. You will be very, very happy to get more benefits. So yeah, as I mentioned, I'm going to try this new products and I will come with a detailed review so that you don't have to waste your money in wrong products, or you'll be saved you'll be saving in a good product also. So alright guys, this started falling off also. I think I spoke close to 18 minutes, so yeah, it's time to wash my face. I'll go wash, and if you want to know the result of this DIY, the famous Ashmita's DIY face pack, check out that video. You will get to know what I'm talking about. So see you soon in another unboxing kind of video. And if you want to see other unboxing first impression video, just check out I know there is a separate playlist called unboxing first impression. Please go check out. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now. I'm talking so much, wasting so much of energy. Okay, thank you guys, bye.